Hi, let's learn how to get the answers to your questions in just a matter of minutes. I'll show you how to use Inside Copilot, the first social media listening AI agent that helps you to find insights from millions of online discussions on digital platforms. Instead of spending hours reading through thousands of mentions manually, you can now get instant answers and unlock meaningful trends in a second. Inside your topic, click the Inside Copilot button. This is where you can interact directly with your data. Click the two arrows icon to expand to full screen view. In the settings sections, you can select the preferred language. You don't have to start from scratch. You can use one of the suggested templates. Just click on it. If you change your mind, you always can click cancel. Also, you can simply write your own questions in plain language as if you were talking to a colleague. Let's try something like this. When your question is ready, click the purple arrow button to ask your question. So now Inside Copilot will analyze the mentions and give you a clear summary. Here you go. You can click Examples to see the specific mentions that the insight was based on. To make your data even more visual, you can ask for a specific chart. For example, build a chart with the top authors. Wow, now you can see who mentions yours the most. You can easily copy the answer or export the chart to include it in your reports or presentations. And if you need to find the old insights, just click the history to see all your previous questions and answers. You're all set to start? Go ahead and try asking Inside Copilot a questions right now.